Fix and flip versus buy and hold, the brutal 2025 showdown. In today's tough real estate market, most investors are scared. We see opportunity. We're putting two strategies to the ultimate test to see which one wins in 2025. Fix and flip versus buy and hold. We bought two properties in the same city at the same time. This is a real-world showdown with every dollar tracked. First, the Speedway flip. A cosmetic disaster we bought for $220,000. The plan? A lightning-fast renovation for a quick profit. Our second contender is the Elm Street hold, a duplex we bought for $250,000. The strategy is buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, or BRRR. This is a marathon for long-term wealth. The stage is set. The flip had a 6-week, $50,000 renovation plan. Then disaster. We discovered corroded pipes, requiring a full replumb. That surprise cost us an extra $15,000 and 2 weeks. With a high-interest loan, that delay hurt. After 8 long weeks, we listed the house, hoping for a quick sale in a competitive market. The hold's renovation was smaller, $20,000, focused on durability. We quickly rented both units, bringing in $2,800 a month. Then the refinance. The property appraised for $315,000, and we pulled most of our capital back out, leaving just $33,750 in the deal. The catch? With a 6.3% interest rate, our net cash flow is thin, about $350 a month. The BRRR model is tight, but it works. Alright, let's look at the final numbers. The Speedway flip cost us $303,000 all in. It sold for $345,000. After taxes, that's a net profit of about $28,000. For the Elm Street hold, we have just $33,750 of our cash left in a property that generates $4,200 a year in cash flow. That's a 12.4% cash-on-cash return. And tenants are paying down our mortgage on an appreciating asset. So who's the winner? The flip gave us a quick $28,000, but it was a high-risk job. The buy and hold created a long-term wealth-building asset. If you need cash now, flipping works. But for building a real estate business, the buy and hold is the undeniable winner. What do you think? Team flip or team hold? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.